So, do you guys see this? This is not okay. Hey guys, welcome to my Natural Academia. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how I managed to neglect my hair for the past 2 months. Alright, so here's just a quick overview of my hair. As I'm speaking about why and how I managed to neglect my hair, I'm just going to be taking it down. I'm planning on washing it tomorrow, so I'm not going to wash it in this video. But it's been 2 months since I last moisturized and washed my hair, and this is how it's looking. And I'm just so disappointed in myself because I'm not going to say I've never done this before. I have, but I'm disappointed in myself because this is not it, Staranda. This is not it. I mean, my hair doesn't look super terrible, but it feels so dry. I feel like I'm going to have so much shed hair when I take this stuff out. Alright, so the day I'm recording this video is May 10th. I don't know if you guys can see that, like right here. It's May 10th. Last time I washed my hair was sometime in February. What was it, March? I don't know. I don't remember the last time I washed my hair, which is not good because I've been trying to get on a schedule of washing my hair once a month. Unless I'm doing a hair growth challenge. But whenever I'm not doing a hair growth challenge, I try to wash my hair once a month. But as many of you guys may or may not know, I'm a student in college, and this semester had me by the throat. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this semester had me by the throat. And like, so much things happened this semester with just a lot of things I don't really want to get into because I don't feel like they're important enough to like say through YouTube or on social media. I don't really like people all up with my business. But it's just been a lot going on this year, this beginning of this year. After I finished my natural hair growth challenge that I did in December, I've honestly just been neglecting my hair. I don't care to touch it. I don't care to do anything with it. And sometimes I wake up and I look at myself, I'm like, why am I so hideous? Then I realize I'm not ugly. My hair is ugly. Well, I don't want to say like, oh my gosh, I don't like my hair, but my hair, like when your hair doesn't look good, you just don't feel good. When I go to the store and I try on outfits or I try on certain clothes, I'm like, this doesn't even look good on me because my hair's not done. And within these past 2 months, I think I went to the pool once or twice. So my hair has pool water in it. I went to the beach once. My hair has salt water in it and some sand. There's just a lot going on in here, and it's actually very, very sad. Like, look. Okay, it doesn't really look that bad. Actually, it looks better than I thought it would, but who knows? This is only the first section. I feel like my hair is accustomed to being treated like this, being just left alone so much. But when I tell you this thing feels dry, I can't believe I went 2 months without moisturizing my hair. When I did my hair growth challenge, I would moisturize my hair every 3, maybe 4 weeks, and sometimes even after every 2 weeks. I've never been a whole 2 months without moisturizing my hair, and I feel very disappointed and disgusted in myself. I feel like I need something to strip all this gunk off my scalp. Every time I itch my scalp, I see flakes falling down like snow. I need help. Oh, and also on top of the beach and the pool water and the sand that's sitting on my hair right now, I also flat ironed my hair, and it doesn't even look like I ever flat ironed it, but I did flat iron my hair about a month and a half ago, and the flat ironness is still in my hair. Anyways, I went ahead and went to Target, and I bought a new shampoo and conditioner that I felt like would have been more I felt like would have had a more deep clean effect on my hair. And it's from Camille Rose. I'm gonna use this shampoo and conditioner, and I'm gonna see what that does to my hair. I'm gonna see what that does to my hair because this just ain't it. I'm so disappointed in myself. Last year when I first started posting my first video, when I got harassed by the natural hair community about my hair texture or whatever, I was very confused and conflicted, and I was very confused about my hair regimen after that whole situation. I was like, well, if I'm not this certain hair texture, then maybe I should use different products. So I started branching out and using a bunch of different products I've never used on my hair before. And I also started doing a bunch of treatments on my hair that I've never done before, but I don't regret doing any of those. I just feel like the past year, and mostly this year, 2021, I just haven't been on the right track with my hair. I feel like if I keep doing this to myself, if I keep neglecting my hair the way that I am, one day I'm gonna wake up bald. It ain't gonna be cute because I mean, can you guys imagine me bald? I don't have the head shape to be bald. Let's see. Oh, maybe I do. Oh my gosh, I kind of want to go bald now. I would look cute bald. Let me not give myself any ideas. I was thinking about it though. I was like a couple weeks ago when I had my little mental breakdown about life and how repetitive everything is and how redundant and boring and purposeless sometimes I feel. I was just like, you know what? Maybe I should just cut my hair and just, you know, just start fresh. Because I feel like a lot of times when people start on new journeys in life or whatever, especially women, they cut off their hair and I don't know. I'm kind of inspired to do that a little bit. Who's to say I won't do it in the future? I don't think I had the courage to do it right now on my own. Just get a pair of scissors and cut my hair off. Because it took me so long to get to this length. And I don't want to throw all that away, honestly. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see how dry my hair is. I hope you can. And because I put so much grease in my hair when I am moisturizing my hair, it looks very shiny. But it really feels really dry. The strands themselves feel really dry, but my hair looks really shiny because of the grease I use on my hair. Something about my ends looking all strangled. They are hanging on for dear life. Do I need to cut my hair? My hair doesn't usually look like that frail. But on the bright side, it's very easy to detangle my hair because when I was moisturizing it at first, I think I did such a good job detangling that right now it's not even hard to detangle. It's just my ends are looking very frail, very desperate. They need some, do you guys see this? This is not okay. I feel like I need to cut my hair like right there. Just get rid of all of this. And that's crazy because in the past 6 months, I've trimmed my hair a total of 3 different times. I trimmed my hair in December, January, and February, and I only recorded the time I did it in December. I think I might have to trim my hair again soon, probably. I might do it in June. Thankfully, I'm not losing as much hair as I thought I would. I thought I'd be losing more hair, but I understand that my hair is very thick and strong. Like the hair themselves are very dense. Unless I'm purposely yanking my hair so that it falls out of my head, it won't really fall out that easily. Towards the end of this video, I'll show you guys how much hair I lost. I'm just throwing them on the floor for now. Alright guys, so this is how my hair looks like after neglecting it for 2 months. Surprisingly, my hair itself looks very shiny, and I know it's because of the hair grease that I use. I use the Palmer's Olive Oil hair grease, and my hands are even like really shiny because of that. But my hair itself feels very dry and itchy. My scalp. Should I give you guys a close-up? Let me give you guys a random. My scalp feels very dirty and caked up with gunk, and I knew this was gonna happen. And some parts of my hair are still wet, and I haven't been in the water for over a week, I think. I don't know. I'm actually about to go to work, and I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. But anyways, in the past 2 months, I have not moisturized, I have not washed, I have not detangled. I rebraided the first 2 sections of my hair. I kept rebraiding it to make it look, to stretch it out. But I haven't nurtured my hair how I usually would, and this is how it looks like. I would not recommend any one of you guys, if you guys are watching this video, to do this, but I know that we all have our moments, and I'm pretty sure we've all at least one time neglected our hair to a certain extent. And this is just, you know, another one of the times that I've done it unintentionally, because usually when I neglect my hair, it's planned out. But this time it wasn't planned out. I've been very busy with school and personal life and like trying to cut people off because people are disgusting and people are gross. And I know they be watching my videos too, but people are just nasty. Like, geez, you grow up just to be some, I don't know, sometimes people just grow up to just be some angry human beings, and it's just like, here I am trying to live my life and you're bothered. Okay, but where was I even going with this? Don't neglect your hair for 2 months, okay? And I know I'm a very big exception to how your hair would normally look after you neglect it for 2 months, because I personally feel like I take great care of my hair. When I do take care of my hair, I take great care of my hair. I treat my hair like it's my child, like my little baby, when I do take care of it. I mean, I treated it not so well this past 2 months, but that's besides the point. I normally, when I'm taking care of my hair, I treat it like it's my child. I will stay up till 4 o'clock in the morning moisturizing my hair if I have to. And I feel like that's part of the reason why it doesn't look as terrible as I was anticipating it looking. But on a more sad note, my ends probably got affected the worst from this experience, honestly, and I think I might have to trim my hair. I promised myself from today, well, actually, let me not make a promise like that, because you never know what life has to bring. I mean, I can get hit by a car. You know what? I did get hit by a car one time when I was 14. She had the nerve to drive away. Like, how you gonna hit me when I was supposed to walk because the walk sign was on, and then drive away? She lucky I was 14 and not grown, because I would have called. You know what? I moved past it. I don't even know what I was saying. But anyways, I'm probably gonna have to trim my ends because they don't look the best. They look very frail and thin to me. It might not look thin to you, but this is not usually how my ends look. And I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. I'm not gonna wash it today because I'm actually getting ready to go to work, because I need to go live again and tell you guys what happened with my job. So right now, I think I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail. I don't know how. All right, I'm gonna be looking at my little mirror down here. How do people, I don't usually wear ponytails, so this is kind of hard for me. So I know my hair is not, my hair, I have to, ooh, maybe I can do a little half up, half down type of thing. Nah, I'm going to work. They're not ready for all that. Oh, this is actually a cute little look. Oh, this is cute. Oh my, y'all. I just found the cutest look ever. Okay, here I am trying to put my hair up for work. I literally have to, well, actually I have an hour to get to work, but okay, this is cute. If one of you guys do this hairstyle, tag me, because, okay, this probably ain't nothing new, but I never did something like this with my hair before. Oh, this is cute. But I'm not going to work like this. What to do, what to do. Let me just put my hair in a ponytail before I change my mind. Gosh, this is a lot of work. Jeez. This is why I don't be wearing ponytails. I'm gonna need something to cover my edges though, because I have a little bit of rainbow tape. I don't want anybody bullying me. Alright. I look a little crazy, but this is gonna have to do. Okay? This is gonna have to do. Is this work appropriate? Is this giving you guys professional? Because you know, my last video, I was speaking about professionalism in the natural hair community. If you're interested in that, definitely check out the cards somewhere or down in the description, you know. But if you made it this far into the video, you are greatly appreciated, because I know I was all over the place in this video and I apologize, but there's just so much on my mind, and I feel so bad because I have not been uploading as much as I usually do. I used to upload twice a week. Can you believe that? Now I'm uploading every other week, and that's just, it's just not me. But whenever I go through phases like that where I'm not uploading as much as I should be, it's because there's just, life happens, okay? And I'm a human being outside of YouTube. Well, people don't usually harass me to upload. I don't think I'm that important. But for now, I'm just gonna be rocking my little struggle ponytail. I'm gonna go to work. Tomorrow, I'm gonna wash my hair with these Camille Rose products that I'm gonna use for the first time. And I don't know, my boyfriend uses them and he likes them, so whatever works for his hair, I usually trust. He has a very specific hair routine, so I kind of usually steal ideas off of him. Don't let him know I said that. But anyways, once again, I really appreciate you guys for watching this video and making it this far into it.